Roaming starts recording.
Not neat, but much better.
We let this.
You have to be careful.
I was thinking we could all hang out later together.
I don't know if this is how I'm the autism king and queen.
Well, I hope that's not true, Chris.
I'm meeting Lily anyway.
I was thinking we could all hang out later.
ఫస్ట్ అలా ఇది పెట్టుకో మ్యాప్ పెట్టుకో సిగ్నల్ ఉన్నప్పుడే.
I just want them to get along.
And they will, actually. Snooty? Yeah? Cool.
ఇటు నుంచి వచ్చిన ఇటే. ఏంటిది
ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నావు?
ఉమ్మడానికి? ఈ ఇటువైపు నుంచి తీసుకుపోతుందేమో ఆ ల్యాండ్ స్లైడ్స్ అయిన ఏరియా నుంచి.
చూడు మరి అంటే అది ఒక్కటే
కొంచెం ఇటు వెనక్కి పోయి అటు నుంచి పోవచ్చు కదా వేరే వైపు నుంచి. జాగ్రత్త మరి. సుసు
ఇక్కడ వస్తావా?
బయటికి
Just
వెళ్ళాలి.
went to get some milk.
ఆపుకుంటే బెటర్ ఏమో. చీకట్ల రోడ్డు ఆపుకుంటే.
There are many ways that I would describe Jeffrey, but sex god is not one of them.
Going to school.
I can't have sex again.
You have no idea how annoying Otis is. He's never shared a space with anyone before. And they do things so differently there, like everything is so controlled. This is it. Where'd it go?
Start recording your first video.
Maybe someone did it as a hoax.
షిట్ బాంబే వేసినారా డుడ్డు పోయినా
Morning. I've had some ideas about how I can use my time instead going in the most productive way. Cool, hit me. Great. First, I want to create a walled-out newsletter run by students. I've also been researching how we can make the campus more green by using solar panels and tree planting. I want to set up an environmental student board here on campus. I also read a study that said yoga during break time creates more efficiency in the classroom.